The steel here is so bright that ours look like iron. We have thousands of years to work out the mistakes. We'll have 200 if we're lucky. We have to settle for good enough. We have eternity, Aldarian. It's true. But it also means an eternity to remember your failures. Did I understand correctly that your grandfather was Fener? The one who forged the Silmarils? You understood correctly. Fener, spirit of fire. He created a light that no one can duplicate. The idea of creating something so perfect that it changes the fate of the world. It's a dream. No, it is not. Imagine making a mistake, and then you have to live with that mistake for 10,000 years. Every time I pick up the hammer and try to create something, I feel the weight of my ancestors. I've never thought of immortality as a burden. Maybe we all want what we can't have.